Hello, this is Karen Harrison of the Young Living Dream Builders. Today, I want to show you how to redeem your Essential Rewards points. So I am going to share my screen. And I am logged into my Young Living account, youngliving.org. And I am going to place a quick order to redeem my points. This is the only time that you should use Quick Order if you have an Essential Rewards account, because otherwise you want to order everything through Essential Rewards. But to redeem your points, then you would need to place a quick order. So I have 118.72 points. I've been on Essential Rewards since 1999. So that's more than 2 years, and I am earning points at the rate of 25%. So I went into the cart. You can just type in whatever you want, like that, lemon, and then I've already added it. So you can click, to add the product. Everything that is eligible for redeeming for Essential Rewards points has one of these little blue flags here. If it doesn't have a little blue flag like this one, the lemon essential oil sample, then you're not able to use that for your Essential Rewards points. So now I scroll down here to the bottom and see what all I have placed in my cart. Okay, so I placed in a peppermint oil, a lemon, a raven, a lavender lip balm, and a release essential oil. Now, and you can see they all have the blue flag here, so they're all eligible for Essential Rewards points. And I've got 112.50 that I'm going to get out of that 118 points. Now I just go to checkout. And I'm going to choose the cheapest shipping, which is $6.99, and then scroll on down to the next step. And here, you're going to choose Essential Rewards points. Now, you're going to choose the items that you want to pay for with your points, and I'm going to drag this down and I'm going to choose everything that I placed in my cart. Okay, so that comes out to a total of $120.13. However, all I have to pay is the shipping on that, $7.63. Shipping and a little bit of tax, so $6.99 shipping. You get discounted rates on shipping. Okay, then now we're going to click Next Step. And here is everything. $120 of product that I am only going to be paying $7.63 for. Okay, what a deal. Place order. And then I'll be getting my order in about a week or so. So that's all there is to it. Very easy to redeem your points. The points build up quickly. 10% the first 3 months. 20% after that up until 2 years, and then it gets really sweet at 25%. So a great deal. Hope this is helpful for you. See you next time.